Welcome dear traders. In this video you will learn update about Bitcoin, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and also top coins like Ripple, ADA, Cardano, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Uni. I'll share with you best places where you can open those trades and what you can do. Also, I'll share with you my current situation, about my current positions and what I personally do. Let's start. As you know, I like to start analysis from fundamental analysis because it moves the price. Fundamental analysis, it is foundation of every movement. And the most important thing is that I would like to share with you. First, as you can see, I would make this picture lower, smaller, and take a look. First, I would like to share with you this important data. As you can see here, take a look, balance on exchanges. I would like to share with you balance on exchanges and you should understand what's going on. As you can see, here are exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, Bitstamp. It is US regulated exchanges and they send all the data to United States, to IRS. As you can see, people withdraw money from that exchanges, and by the way, they withdraw heavy because the huge possibility crypto market could be regulated. But in other hands, take a look what's going on. Binance, as you can see, Bitfinex, Bittrex, and Binance, their balance increased dramatically fast when this bull market had started. Why? Because people don't want to pay taxes, especially in such countries like in Denmark, nearly 40% tax. Also, what does it mean? That there would be migration of capital, my friends. Also, what I would like to share with you other stuff. Take a look. This data spent output age 1 year and old coins. As you can see, slowdown in spending, and after that capitulation. Take a look, capitulation, and capitulation. What does it show to us? It shows to us coins that were spent during this uprise. And take a look, really a lot of coins were spent, nearly, as you can see, it is nearly 50k area. And also take a look here, during this drop, also a lot of coins more than 1 year old were spent in this area. What does it mean for all of us, my friends? You should understand that how market works. Big guys accumulated a position in this area from 4,000 to 10,000, and to fix profits they should sell it to another people, and some of them, as you can see, sold a lot of bitcoins, especially here nearly 50k area. Because imagine you buy bitcoin at 7k and sell it at 50, it's good profit. At this moment, what you should know, when there would be huge get out from long-term holders, that would be a signal for massive downtrend. Because when long-term holders capitulate like it was here, it is a signal that we have powerful downtrend like it was here. It's really rarely happens here. The next data that I would like to share with you, my friends, it is a balance on exchanges. Take a look. It is Bitcoin balance on exchanges. As you can see, during all of this uprise, people withdrew a lot of Bitcoins. And as you can see, from 2,800 reserves on all exchanges, it dropped to 2,400. It is more than 20% of all supply. How it works? As lower amount Bitcoins of exchanges, that means people have less Bitcoins to sell it and to create sell pressure. That's good for uptrend. But as you can see at this moment, take a look. During this high, as you can see this high, remember that 65 hit on Bitcoin. As you can see, it started this short-term trend, and take a look, even on this bottom, as you can see, it didn't continue downtrend. As you can see, it bounced, and at this moment it's continuing. Remember, as big amount of this bitcoins on exchanges, as big a possibility that there would be drop, because when people deposit bitcoins to exchanges, with most possibilities it used to sell it, and when they sell, they create sell pressure. Another data that's really important, it is stable coin on exchanges. It is all stable coins on all exchanges. I have better pictures that I would like to share with you. Here, take a look. All stable coins, all exchanges reserves. As you can see, during previous up rise, as you can see, what happened before every good up rise, before that there were stablecoin deposit on exchanges. Take a look here, nearly a few billions were deposited. After that, within 2-3 days, up rise. After that, here, my friend, before uprise, as you can see, stablecoin deposited. After that, here, my friend, during at this bottom, after that uprise, and even here, take a look, deposited, and after that, within few days, this uprise. Take a look at this moment. Finally, we have this, like people call it, divergence. Difference between deposit and withdraw from exchanges, and how it works. If this amount of coins will stablecoin continue depositing, that would be a signal that uptrend will continue. That must happen. That's really important to see it. Okay, and the last data that I would like to share with you, take a look. Here, this picture a little bit fear me, because as you can see, it is entity adjusted long-term holders net unrealized P&L profit. As you can see at this moment, we came back to this number, that 0.75. It is a point where bear market had started. Take a look. As you can see, in 2013, bear market started. After that, take a look. After break out this number back. The same it happened here in 2018. How it works? Big guys, long-term holders, they buy Bitcoin at lower area in a range when no one wants it, and they have a bunch of money, a profit after this bull run. And what's going on? When price makes a powerful pullback, they see that their profit, for example, imagine that you bought a lot of Bitcoins in this area, this range from 3 to 4,000, and here you have, for example, like 20x profit, and price dropped to 30k, and you see that your like few millions profit disappeared. And some of them can close it with fear that it can drop even more. And that can create powerful sell pressure and bear market or deep pullback like it was here in 2020. I fear it because there's also a chance like it was here. Take a look, fell stop. They retested, and after that started uprise, as you can see. I hope that there would be something like this, but also there could be like here and here. As you can see, at this moment, my friends, we completely in a place of uncertainty. We have data that shows to us that bull run will continue. We have a data that shows to us that there could be deeper pullback. That's why let's come back to technical analysis, and I would like to share with you what I personally would like to do. As you can see inside in our VIP room, today I publish an update about Bitcoin, and most coins will follow it. As you can see here, take a look. Bitcoins is inside of this big triangle. What's the biggest problem for all of this? But my friends, before subscribe on our Telegram channel, you will get a lot of updates in the future. Also subscribe on our YouTube channel to get all of the updates. And also you can join VIP Room where I share all of these updates on daily basis with my team also. Take a look. Today, as you can see, this triangle, that means Bitcoin's in a place of uncertainty. People don't understand what's going on, and price could be in this range really big period of time. What should we do? Some of you would say me, okay, Yuri, what should we do? As you can see, at 28th of May, what I did, my friends, I published to our VIP room that I personally closed all my spot positions on, it was 28th of May, it was Friday. On Friday, as you can see, Friday morning, I closed all of my positions. I fixed that week with 6,300 USD profit, and that's all. At this moment, I keep, my friends, I keep nearly 97% of all of my portfolio in stablecoin, because at this moment, I don't want to be in this place of uncertainty. I want to sleep calmly. And also as a trader, I love to trade futures because futures is for me better. I open a position, I understand what is my risk, and that's all. For Bitcoin, I would share with you at this moment in what cases it's good to buy Bitcoin for a long term, and update about other coins. Take a look, okay. First, as you can see, Bitcoin, take a look in this, inside of this. Remember, if there would be something like this, my friends, if Bitcoin will make this squeezing to this key level, there could be a trend line breakout pattern. This trend line breakout pattern also works really well for breakdown. I would like to share with you one of my trades that I did many days ago on Ethereum Classic, and I sent that trade into our VIP room. It was many days ago. I would like to share it with you. It was also even before Turkey. Take a look. Ethereum Classic, risky sell. Take a look on this picture. As you can see, beautiful trend line. Take a look how many days price were here. Also, as you can see what they did, they fake this local trend line breakout, and take a look, massive volume. That massive volume were here. Someone made a trap for bulls. And after that, I think you know that after that Ethereum Classic dropped nearly to 40. Can it happen to Bitcoin? From these places, it's difficult, because if you compare it to Ethereum Classic, you would see that Ethereum Classic before rise up from 40 to nearly 200. That means it was a logical pullback. But for Bitcoin, I think if there would be this trend line breakout, there could be drop at least to 28K. Area or to 20K. I would be happy if there would be at least to 20K area, because it is a support. And what other stuff I would like to share with you? As you can see, in previous situation, as you can see, Bitcoin normally after 70% pullback, Bitcoin showed to us the best opportunities. Take a look on this. As you can see here, 70%, 72% drop after that massive uprise. Take a look here, even this situation, take a look. 70% drop, and after that, as you can see, my friends, nearly 90% uprise. That's beautiful. The same can happen here. If the price will make 70% drop, that would be amazing for us, my friends, because 70% drop from this place, it would be nearly this all-time high area. I would be happy, my friends. I would be really happy if one day Bitcoin will make a retest of this 20K area, 20 to 16K area. Why? Because as you can see below, we have massive value area. What does it mean, massive value area? Is that people bought a lot of Bitcoins here, and many people will support it. Will it happen, my friends? To be honest, I don't know will it happen, but as a trader, what I do, I set buy limit orders and wait. If that happens, I trade it. That's all. That's all. That's why. Once more, let's summarize about Bitcoin, because some of you, I understand that many of you came here and you want to have step-by-step plan what to do, my friends. Step-by-step plan. Until price is inside of this triangle, do nothing, because it is a place of uncertainty. Wait for clear and beautiful trend line, clear and beautiful breakout pattern. As you can see, breakout, as you know, can happen in two cases. Can be down, or there could be break up. Only after clear breakout, we can say what will be the next. Because as you can see, Bitcoin inside in this value area, that means some people accumulate big amount of Bitcoins. That's all. Remember, if Bitcoin drop, most of other altcoins follow it. If Bitcoin rise up, most of altcoins rose up. That's all. Really simple. My friends, push like, subscribe. That's the best. Thank you. Let's go to altcoins. With altcoins, it would be a little bit easier because they follow Bitcoin in most cases. As you can see, take a look on Cardano. What Cardano did. Cardano, as you can see, take a look on this value area. I would make it closer. About Cardano, why Cardano so strong? Because as you can see, we have this value area, and that value area become really powerful support. As you can see, the price even bounced here before this value area. What does it mean, value area? Some people could accumulate big position on Cardano, and they supported, they just supported. That's all. That's why. What about Cardano? What to do? Take a look. We have this beautiful trend line, or we can use maybe even this trend line. What I would do, if the price will make a pullback to here, something like this, and squeeze up again to this trend line, that could be beautiful breakout pattern. Use it. Dogecoin even better. Take a look. I published that chart into our VIP room many hours ago. As you can see, beautiful trend line breakout pattern. As you can see, price tested, as you can see it many times. And why it's so beautiful? Because if there would be any Elon Musk tweet, there could be massive skyrocketing. Use it, wait for squeezing, and be happy, trade it. And remember to set alert. You don't need to sit at PC for all life. Just set alert. That's all. Ripple, the same trend line breakout pattern, as you can see. Massive value area. Below Ripple, to be honest, looks even better than Bitcoin, because Ripple already made, as you can see, massive, nearly 67% pullback. Below Ripple, as you can see, we have this massive support. After that, as you can see, breakout of this trend line can start beautiful uprise. To be honest, Ripple, I like Ripple even more than Bitcoin at this moment. Ripple, BNB, Binance coin, my friends. Binance, as you can see, made this massive pullback. As you can see here, from this, it was 70%. It's example for you. When you buy crypto after 70% pullback, what happens? Here, take a look. When you buy it after 70%, even this small pullback, it is 76% uprise. That's how it's far more easier to make money. As you can see, my friend, BNB inside, and BNB built also this trend line breakout pattern. I would be happy if there would be really beautiful squeezing. After that, I would start trading it. Because as you remember, many weeks ago, we trade this range breakout pattern. Take a look. And wait for beautiful accumulation. Take a look. BNB made this beautiful value area. And after that, as you can see, my friend, what they did, they made this beautiful squeezing up, breakout, and uprise. To be honest, if there would be something like that here, it would be the best, because after that we will have clear momentum for trading. Do it. DOT. DOT fundamentally strong. Major reason why I sold all of my DOTs during this. I had a lot of DOT. Biggest problem with DOT, that, as you can see, DOT create here. Take a look. It was a wedge pattern, and after that, as you can see, what they did, they create this trap. They broke it, and instead of continue uprise, they, as you can see, broke it down. That means here DOT made a trap for bulls. It was painful trap for bulls. And here I sold my DOTs that I bought here at 15 USD. At this moment, I will become bullish again only if DOT will create beautiful trend line breakout pattern. I like that, as you can see, DOT, as other coins, create massive value area, and breakout that value area could be a good pattern. The next one, Ethereum. Ethereum, my friends, oh my god, I didn't saw a massive drop on Ethereum. It's really good. Take a look. Also 60% drop, really beautiful. First, my friends, if there would be any real low on Ethereum, it would be, remember, 70% drop on crypto. It is always best place to buy. That means if Ethereum ever will make a retest of this area, 1,300, would be best place to buy it on spot and keep it. Just keep it. From lower time frame and from technical analysis perspective, as you can see, Ethereum can build this beautiful trend line. Will it play out, my friends? Take a look. To be honest, I would be happy if this trend line would be built. Take a look. 1, 2, and as you can see, what they need to do, they need to test it and start squeezing. If something like this would happen, I would be really happy, because breakout of this trend line finally would be good entry point. Litecoin, about Litecoin. As you can see, Litecoin get dropped as any other coins. 70% drop. Take a look, and imagine you buy 70% drop, and after that price rise up here. Take a look, 73% if you fix it. And by the way, I would like to share with you example when we trade Ripple. We bought Ripple when it dropped, and one of my students sent to me this screenshot of his trade. Take a look. He bought Ripple, and after that he closed it exactly at high. and take a look, 3000 USD as a profit. It's amazing. Here, it's most of those coins, they have the same behavior. Take a look. I would be happy to build some trend line and to trade it. Take a look. The last one, my friends, Link. Link made even bigger pullback. Take a look. Link 125% uprise. That's the beauty when you buy coins on spot after. Take a look. When you buy coins on spot after 70% drop, as you can see, what happens? Massive pullback, and here, even if you close part of your position, you completely out of any risk. At this moment, we can build different trend lines. First, we can try to build trend line by this high. We can try even to adjust to this. That means if there would be a beautiful comeback and beautiful squeeze into this trend line, there could be a breakout pattern. The best entry would be if that would be real low. That would be the best entry ever. Friends, remember to push like, subscribe. Thank you for your time. Watch it. Write your feedbacks. Thank you.